You want to sell your home, but you know you can sell it faster and for a higher price if it was, well, in better condition. With RealVitalize, you can make your home show-ready without any cash up front. RealVitalize partners with Angie, whose national network includes top-rated, dedicated service pros who will get your improvements done on time and on budget at a great price. Remodeling, painting, staging, curb appeal enhancements, and more. It's guaranteed happiness. There's no cost to you until your home is sold. No fees, markups, or interest ever. Show-ready homes are proven to sell faster. And most homes that use RealVitalize have sold at or above list price. RealVitalize gets your home ready, set, sold. You're happy and your buyer's happy. RealVitalize. Fix it up with nothing up front.